What's up, guys? I'm gonna do a challenge where I have to drink 3 energy drinks without burping. So, first one. Let's go. Cheers. It's harder than what it looks. I just want to say that. Knee done. That's one done. Oh. Don't know if I'm going to be sick or else I'm burp, so. Second one. I'm gonna die, man. But yeah, that's the energy drink. Let's see if I can turn the light up. No. I'm gonna have trap wind at the end of this. There we go. Okay. Second one. I actually feel so sick now. Side right here, burp. I need to burp loads. If I can finish this without burping, I'll be happy. Well, that failed. Well, I finished 2. I finished 2. Didn't do the rest. But there's the cans. That was the other one. I didn't finish it, unfortunately. Finished those 2. But yeah, there I am. Whee! challenge. Failed miserably. But I'll be doing some more videos soon. So rate, like, subscribe, comment, blah 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 blah. And this is You Dare We Do. And see you in the next video. See you later.